Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase your Facebook story view. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Facebook application, and to increase the Facebook story view, I recommend you to change the privacy story. You can go to your Facebook setting by tapping on the three lines and then select the setting icon and go to the stories setting. Okay, tap on these stories and you have to change your story privacy. As you can see here, I choose friends, so I can only share this story to my friends. So the one who are not my friends cannot see my story, but I'm going to change it to public so everyone can see my story on Facebook. So not only my friends who can see my Facebook story, and it will boost our Facebook story view. And we just need to go back and try to create a story on our Facebook. Alright guys, and that's all the way to increase Facebook story view on Facebook. I hope this tutorial will work on your Facebook account. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.